Dear colleagues, I'm Dr. Khaled Kouteich. I'm a gynecologist and head of department in Zahra Hospital in Dubai. I'm here to invite you and to encourage you to come and join us in our Women's Journey conference that we will be holding on April 2025. Why to attend this conference? I know that there are many other conferences going on here in Dubai and outside Dubai, but this conference we are trying to make it a bit different, more interactive, and covering the whole journey for women from their puberty until menopause, including the pregnancy and its complications, and including the gynecologic problems. So by being interactive with you, us with you, and maybe we and you and the population that will be bringing to the conference, I think that we can have a better output and better understanding of the problems of our patients that we are seeing every day. So again, I encourage you to come and to give us your feedback and to share your experience, and we are ready to discuss with you and to see you at the conference.